Hey there, I'm Gigi and welcome to Let's Get Cooking with Gigi. As you can see, I'm in green, so today is St. Patrick's Day. Also, I will be adding my Gigi's Precious All-Purpose Seasoning, and you can actually go to the Ghost Loves Music and Cooking.com and order you a jar of this or as many as you want, because once you get started with it, you won't be able to stop. So, like I said, it's all-purpose seasoning. So please go to the Ghost Loves Music and Cooking.com. Thank you. So the meat for the shepherd's pie is ground hamburger, Bob Evans spicy sausage, red and green peppers with white onion, corn, mushrooms, carrots, peas, Kerrygold, garlic and herb butter, thyme, and beef broth. Once the potatoes are cooked and mashed up, I'm going to be adding heavy whipping cream along with regular milk, Fiesta blend cheese, and some more of the garlic and herb butter made by Kerrygold. The potatoes down because I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually steam coming out of here, and you don't want the steam to come out. You want it to be kind of cooled off. And now the meat here, and I'm going to add Gigi's Precious All-Purpose Seasoning to the peppers and onions too. Everything's softened up, so now I add the mushrooms, peas, and carrots. Now just to let you know too, the peas and carrots are actually frozen. So, and all you had to do is leave them in the fridge overnight so that they would be nice and soft now. And then cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Potatoes, here they are again, all flattened out. Now I'm going to add some more of Gigi's Precious All-Purpose Seasoning just to give it a little bit more flavor with the potatoes. So you want to make sure everything's nice and flavorful. Go ahead and put the butter in the pan like that until it melts real good. Then what happens is you stir in the thyme and the garlic cloves in here like that. You stir it in good. Then you add in the flour, like that, and then you stir it around until it disappears, or you can't see it anymore. Right now, this pan is real colorful. Okay, then what you do is you go ahead and put in the beef broth here. And stir it up real good. And right now I've got it on high heat so that it could come to a boil. Because with the flour, it should thicken up a little bit too. Okay. Right. So while that is going, I don't like leaving the handle out like this because you can knock it over or whatever. And then you just take and pull it off the pot. I've got this pan here, and what I'm going to do now is go ahead and put the meat and vegetable mixture inside this pan here. Can you see it? Here are the potatoes. Now what you do is you take the heavy cream and the milk and pour it in here. Okay. And mix it up. And then you go ahead and put the butter in there too. potatoes, really. And then you take and put the cheese in and mix that up real well as well. And you take the meat mixture right there, okay? And then we just spread the potato mixture on top. Make sure it's fully covered. So there it is, the shepherd's pie. So I'm going to put it in the oven at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. And then once it's done, I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, it's done. It got a little bit juicy and came out the top, but hey. And you actually cook it until it's brown. Well, it is brown because the stuff came out from the bottom to the top. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pull some of it out so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So see, there it is. Okay. So, I am Irish. It says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." So this is why I made the shepherd's pie. And as you can see, I've got my two little Irish guys here. This one drank too much green beer, so that's why he's a little crazy. And then I've got some little cupcakes for St. Patrick's Day too. One other thing is, since it's St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to put some of my green fairy dust on it. Oops, too much. So see, now it's all glittery. Okay? So, once again, my YouTube channel at Let's Get Cooking with Gigi. Like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this video along with my others. And once again, please go to theghostlovesmusicandcooking.com and get some of your Gigi's Precious All Purpose Seasoning. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.